Life at FlytBase has a ring to it, doesn't it? So does the real life at FlytBase. Has it ever happened to you that you look at a company's vibe and you think to yourself, what is going on? Are they working? Are they having fun? The answer is, well, both. But how do we do it? We are FlytBase. This is what FlytBase does. It is also called FlytBase. We build a drone autonomy software platform for system integrators. Sounds cool, right? These are the people who build FlytBase. We trust them to make the right decision. We help them become global leaders. We often disagree, but we always respect each other. We make the best use of our resources, and we're always in the pursuit of excellence. This is what the people at FlytBase do. We fly drones, well, autonomously of course. We market, we design, we code, we test, we build relations, we bring new flighters to the team, we go on global trade shows, we party, we go out, and we also love our plants. We have them here, and last here. We sometimes work from here, and yes, from here as well. And after a day of working, playing, coding, designing, marketing, testing, and more, we go home with hearts full of contentment and excitement for the next day. Well, that's about it.